Hey guys, it's me. I didn't vlog all day today because I left my camera at home when I went to work. And then as soon as I got home, I ate and then I started getting ready for this Christmas party. I'm at Lisa and Omar's place. And yeah. So today is, I think today's day 6 of Vlogmas. So welcome back. So you guys are gonna see the little holiday party shenanigans. I look like a whole beer in this.
I think it's so cute. Oh wait, that one's different than the other.
Yeah.
Look, can you make it so that it doesn't do that?
You gotta put it up more. What do you mean?
It keeps.
Girl, I wanna see you twerk. I throw a little money to twerk. I don't really think you can twerk. Twerk. If you broke, go to work. Make that big booty twerk. Make that big booty twerk.
Because it's so dark in here, so that's a fail of a vlog that I thought I was gonna have. So we'll just see how it goes. Fuck it up, hey, fuck it up, fuck it up. I say I'm that nigga, bitch, I'm all ready. Lisa went to go get them for me. Thank you, Lisa. She doesn't want to be on camera. I'm about this paper. What's wrong with Ola? Fix it. Look back at it. Look back at it. Look back at it.
Make sure y'all tune in to DJ Jazz.
Christmas party is over. It is 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock.
It's 1 o'clock, sis. That's why I'm trying to go home, sis. It's my bedtime.
Wow. It's 1 o'clock. And the Christmas party just ended. And they want to go to somewhere called Groove. Yeah, tell her somebody was like, where's your friend Bria? I was like, who is Bria? I don't have a friend from work named Bria. They was like, I think she have a YouTube channel too. I was like, that's Ro.
Yes, girl, that's me.
But yeah,
I'll be back.
Me and Ro are still best friends.
And I'll be back. When am I gonna be back?
But yeah, guys, I'm sorry the vlog was super dark today. But I mean, it's okay.
Dang, where did Susanna disappear to?
It's black. But I'm just gonna add some clips. That's gonna be the vlog for tomorrow. I'm sorry, guys. Love it or leave it. You don't gotta watch it. But what are these people doing? It's 1 a.m. and we're currently walking. We're walking. This is my outfit.
You want me to get you, girl?
Excuse my fat ass stomach.
Hold on, wait. I need to flip this down so I can see.
You know, I had the fur.
Yes.
It's super puffy now, but this was the fit.
Best friend was cute. Hold on. Let me get these shoes, sis.
Get the shoes, boo.
Get the shoes, sis. My baby's sexy.
You know, you gotta do a little something here and there.
Yes.
My hair's puffy because I was hot as hell.
And we was lit, but that's okay.
You know,
that's okay.
Littest holiday party you will ever go to.
Lit. Period.
Stomach.
Period.
Don't worry about that. It's coming.
Ain't no stomach beat. Ain't no stomach beat. Ain't no stomach beat. Ain't no stomach beat. Fuck that.
Bye.
We snatched out here. Get it, see. Omar silly.
We're rocking down the road.
Period.
Guys, we're leaving. And yes, I have on a fur coat, you know. Mafia wife.
Okay, wait till they make that motherfucker.
Oh, I want to go.
I'm about to be fucked up.
It is
Everywhere.
1:20
on Instagram.
and I gotta ride back to Lisa's house and then back to my house.
Look at this thing, guys. A paint and sip.
It's gonna be a minute.
Good.
Yeah, that looks cute.
About the ones with the live male models.
My cousin be models for them, so I'm scared. Yes.
You can't go see your cousin, sis.
I love my old Mariah.
Sweet baby.
I feel like we need to stop and get food, though.
You ain't lying, though. I'm kind of hungry.
I'm not.
Okay, Jazmine, it's in ketosis.
In ketosis, I gotta stay in ketosis, bitch.
Y'all better go to goddamn.
Cause I gotta.
Hey, let's go.
Oh shit!
Ain't no fire.
Best friend. Did y'all hear that? Oh shit! Hey guys, I'm currently asleep, but I'm talking. It's like 2:30 in the morning. And I'm about to go to sleep. I'm about to take this makeup off, take these clothes off, and I'm about to go to sleep. Yeah, don't judge me because I'm not getting in the shower. I'll get in the morning. I just can't. I'll probably. Yes, I did drink on keto. I had a skinny bitch, which is soda water, vodka, and lime juice, which is 0 carbs. And I had probably like 4 or 5 of those. But anyways, yeah, that's the end of the night. I appreciate I appreciate you guys for watching. Yes, this is a weird vlog. It is pretty much dark, but I apologize. I hope you guys enjoy. It's just a snippet of my holiday party. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video, and give the video a big thumbs up. I'm sorry guys. Also, I won $50 at my holiday party. Gave me for being just awesome, you know. But anyways, love you guys. Good night. The shoes, and they actually fit great and they are comfortable. I read like so many reviews on these, and people were saying they're so comfortable, I can wear these all night, I can dance in these, and it's actually pretty true. Super cute. I'm so happy, and they were only like $50, and then I had those coupons. Ice me out. Ice me out.